Hey folks, video 18 covers sneezing characters. And by the way, this did not work, but it was still pretty fun to act silly, and in the end, I just pretended to sneeze. When studying reference footage, note that the character starts and ends at a resting state. When people sneeze, there's a brief moment of recognition followed by the anticipation where air is built up. Image number 4 shows all of that energy being released as it leads into the squashing pose. After that, the character returns back to that default pose. The big idea with this one is to animate pose to pose, and then you go back and embellish in subsequent passes. Make sure you study your footage repeatedly. This segment shows the construction of facial expressions that I'm going to later motion tween animate. I'm tracing over a sketched face to keep the continuity and proportions just right. The onion skin feature helps with correct eye and nose placement, and later I'll go back and add in the contour of the head, the whites of the eyes, and other details like the hair. Here's a chart that compares my drawings with the reference footage. And here's some footage where I renamed the drawings in harmony just so I can stay organized. So before animating, I think it's a good idea to record or to find some good audio because it's going to make your life a lot easier. When it's time to sit down and animate, you can just match up the facial expressions to the audio and you scrub through repeatedly, making sure that it looks and sounds right. This final segment shows motion tween animation being layered into the performance. It's basically a bunch of squash and stretch, rotation, and movement. Anyways, this is a great way to add range and variety to the limited numbers of drawings that you create. Here's a reveal that highlights the different drawing subs relative to the motion tween keyframes. All right, I hope that was helpful. Do me a favor and go give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye.